Well, hello my beautiful and amazing crafters. Welcome to another video of crafting with Shaneda. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload and assemble this beautiful angel ornament file. So by far, this has been my favorite design that I have made this year. I really love the way this came out, and I hope you enjoy creating and assembling this as well. So when you upload the design in Cricut Design Space or Silhouette Studio, it will be grouped, and you'll just want to start by ungrouping the file and sizing it to your preference, and then everything is customizable. Now let's start with her face. For the face, I decided to create this shape and then you can cut her eyelashes with cardstock or vinyl, but I just thought it was just easier if you draw her eyelashes on. So just change that cut file for the eyelashes to draw, whatever color you want to choose. I chose black, and then you want to select her face and the eyelashes and make sure to attach. And now when it comes to her dress, you can change it any color you wish. I show you here I have several different colors that I'll be cutting out of cardstock, glitter cardstock, to add that sparkle to the design. And you know what? You can also add a name. This would be a gift I'm giving out for family members, so I'll be personalizing with the name at the end of the angel. So you could do the same thing, add the name, and then just weld that design, or just add the name at the end if you wish. This file will come with, I believe it will be a 7 matte file, just depending if you make any changes. But it's so easy and fun to do. Now let's get on to assembling the template. So this is the very first one I made, just so I could critique myself and perfect it for you guys. So this is about they're about 6 inches in length. And choosing the glitter cardstock really adds that touch. I even think an embossed look will look beautiful as well. So the first thing you want to start off is, once you have the silhouette of the angel, you want to go ahead and adhere her wings on first with some glue. I like to use this craft glue that has a very thin, small tip, which gets into those little small pieces and small crafting projects, which I love to do. Once her wings are placed on and adhered, now it's on to her shape, her dress, and again you could choose any color. I just went with glitter cardstock, and I will put all the items that I use in the description box below, as well as the link to this SVG file. I'm making sure to adhere each element with a good amount of glue so everything sticks in place. Now for her hair, I decided to cut this out of black cardstock. You could do blonde or redhead, whatever color you would like, brunette. I just went ahead and used my black glitter cardstock for her hair. And you definitely can use some foam dots to give it a 3D look and add more dimension to the design. Now with her face and hands, you can choose a natural skin tone color to mirror the person that you're giving this to. And I just want to show you how it comes out using the Cricut thin marker or pen for her eyelashes, instead of adding that piece with vinyl or cardstock trying to glue that on. And I'm just going to place her head right in between to give you that look that she has a cute little bob hairstyle. And this is the glue that I'm using, the art glitter glue, and I'll again have all the items in the description box below. Now I'm going to start working on her halo. If you're enjoying all the content we have here and crafting projects and videos, make sure to check out our YouTube channel for a list of all our great fun crafts. For her halo, I used some gold cardstock, and then for the snowflake that will go on her dress, I used silver and gold cardstock. And for her hands, I wanted them to pop out just a little bit to just mimic the image of praying. So I just added a little 3D dot to pop out her hands. Now I decided to use some gold twine. You could use yarn or ribbon, whatever you have on hand, just to make a tassel on the top, a tie on the top of the design. And there she is. She is so beautiful, a great addition to your Christmas tree or holiday decor, and you can change the sizing however large you would like. Now this part is optional. I wanted to put a little something in the middle of the snowflake. You could use a little piece of maybe a rhinestone. I like to use my scraps. I'm just gonna use my hole punch and cut out a few circles with this gold cardstock. And I find out this way is a lot easier than just cutting it on my mat. Sometimes I'll use some other cutting tools to make it a little bit faster. And just placing some glue, I'm going to add that little gold circle right in the middle of the snowflake. And now this completes the look. You definitely could add the name underneath to even add a more personalized touch. This design is just ready to go and be loved by whoever you give it to. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned a little bit or a lot. We are busy this week getting a lot of holiday videos out, and we hope that you join us for all the fun. Until next video, happy crafting.